Welcome dear students. So in today's class we are going to start a new exercise, okay, and the very important theorem that we make use of in this particular exercise, that is 15b, is here. So name of the theorem is basic proportionality theorem. So in short you can call it BPT. All right. So let's see the statement of BPT. It says if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle, there is in a triangle there are three sides. So in out of any three sides, okay, choose any one of the side from those three and draw a line parallel to that, so that that parallel line intersect the other two sides in distinct points. The other two sides are divided in the same ratio. Now just reading this statement won't help you. Let's understand this using this diagram. So in this triangle I have drawn a parallel line DE, and this DE is parallel to one of the side, that is BC. Okay, and see this line cuts or intersect the other two sides, that is AB and AE at the points D and E. Yes, that means this line cuts AB at D and AC at point E. So in this case this line divides these two remaining sides in the proper ratio, okay, or the sides will be in proportion in this case, that is AD is to DB will be equals to AE is to EC. Okay, so this is a very important thing that you need to understand from this diagram. Don't look at this, okay, just understand the diagram. So in this diagram, if there is parallel line, then AD is to DB will be equals to AE is to EC. That's what is written. So the opposite of this is also called converse. Okay, so converse of this theorem is also fine. That means if AD by DB is equals to AE by EC, if you see this, this means that DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so this is the thing that you need to keep in mind. Okay, so this is the converse. Okay, now let's see the problems based on BPT, and I'm taking exercise 15B for you. Let's see the first question. In the following figure, point D divides AB in the ratio 3:5. So D divides AB in the ratio 3:5 means what? It means AD is to DB is 3:5. Now you need to find AE by EC, that is AE by EC, and from the figure what you can see is there is arrow given to you. So this arrow means that these two are parallel. So when these two are parallel, right, so given is this one, as I said AD is to DB is this one. Now since they are parallel, DE is parallel to BC, then using BPT what we can say is AD by DB is equals to A by EC, isn't it? Yes. Now what is AD by DB? AD by DB is 3/5. You have to find AE by EC, isn't it? So that's why AE by EC will be equals to 3/5, because the value of AD by DB is 3/5. Okay, so we got our first answer. Second answer is AD by AB. So AD by AB. Now see here carefully. AD by DB is 3/5. So when you find the reciprocal of this, this becomes DB by AD, right? This goes up, this goes down, so DB by AD, and similarly this goes up, this goes down, so this becomes 5/3. Now let's add 1 on both sides. So when you add 1 on both sides, you get plus 1 here. AD into 1 is AD, so that's why you get DB plus AD divided by AD. Similarly this becomes 5 plus 3/3. Now DB is this one, AD is this one. See, DB is this one, AD is this one. So when you add this and this, won't you get AB? Yes. So in place of this, I am going to write AB, okay, by AD. Okay. We are asked to find AD by AB, isn't it? But this is just the reciprocal of that. So just turn it upside down. You get AD by AB will be 3/8. Okay. So I got my second answer also. Next is AE by EC. Okay, AE by AC, I'm sorry. Okay, it's similar to this again. So in triangle AD, see here carefully, in triangle ADE and ABC, ADE and ABC, what you can see is ADE, that is this angle, is equals to ABC, this angle, this and this, they are equal. Why? Because they are corresponding angle. Remember, these two are parallel, so that's why this acts like transversal, so automatically this and this becomes the corresponding angle. Now I think there is one angle common to both the triangle. That angle is angle A. Okay, so this angle A is present in this triangle also and this triangle also, so that's why this is common. Using AA criterion for similarity, we have these two similar. So if these two are similar, then the corresponding size has to be proportional, isn't it? So AD by AB is equals to AE by AC. Okay, now we are asked to find AE by AC, right? What is AD by AB? You can see AD by AB is 3 by 8. So that's why AE by AC will also be 3 by 8 in this case. All right, we got this one. Let's see the fourth one. So you know, triangle ADE and ABC, they are similar. If they are similar, you know that the corresponding sides are in proportion. That is AD by AB. Same thing is written, right? AD by AB, but this time I am taking DE by BC. So DE by BC. Okay, because why am I taking DE and BC? Because I need DE and BC, right? Now what is the value of AD by AB? AD by AB is 3 by 8. What is DE? DE is 2.4, right? So from here, calculate the value BC. It turns out to be 6.4 centimeter. All right. Next, we have BC given to you. You need to find DE. Okay. So BC is given. DE you need to find. So you can make it a very same thing. Okay. So substitute the value. AD by AB is 3 by 8. DE you don't know. You are asked to find BC. You are asked to find DE given that the value BC is 4.8. Substitute the value and do the cross multiplication, simplify, you get DE equals to 1.8 centimeter. So we have got 5 questions, so 5 answers are here within the box. Pause the video and note down your solution. Okay, so let's take question number 3, which says a line PQ is drawn parallel to the side BC of triangle ABC. So let me draw the side triangle. So triangle ABC is there and PQ is parallel to BC. So PQ is parallel to BC, as you can see. Now AB is 9 centimeter. So let's see, where is AB? So AB is 9 centimeter. CA is 6 centimeter. Okay, so CA or AC is given to 6 centimeter. AQ is 4.2 centimeter. That means from here to here is 4.2 centimeter. You need to find the length of AP. So you need to find what is this AP. Okay. Now, so whenever you see this kind of figure, apply BPT. Okay. So we have in triangle APQ, okay, APQ and ABC. Since these two are parallel, ACQ, okay, see here carefully, AC. Just wait a minute. This is not easy. This is AQP. No. APQ. Okay, this is not C. This is P. Okay, it's like earlier problem. So APQ means this angle, and ABC, that is this angle, will be equal because they are corresponding angle. So in place of C, kindly make sure that you write P. Okay, and one more angle is common, that is this angle, right? So PAQ and BAC, that is this angle, is common angle. So that's why I can say that these two triangles are similar using AA criterion. Okay, now if these two are similar, then the corresponding sides are in proportion, isn't it? Okay, so we have AP by AB, AQ by AC. Okay, now what is, see, AP we don't know, right? We know AP? No, we are asked to find AP. In fact, what is AB? AB is given to be 9. Okay, what is AQ? AQ is given to be 4.2. and what is AC? AC is given to be 6. Okay, so just do the simplification and find the value of AP. It turns out to be 6.3 centimeter. Okay, pause the video and note down your solution. Alright, so let's have one more, the last question for the day, which says, in the given figure, triangle ABC and triangle ADE are similar. That is, this triangle and this triangle, they are similar. AE is to EC, AE is to EC is given to 4:7, DE is given to 6.6. Find BC. If X be the length of the perpendicular from A to DE, from A you have to draw a perpendicular to DE. Okay, so this is my DE, right? So from A you drop a perpendicular to DE. Okay, and find the length of the C. It is given that X is the length of the perpendicular from A to DE. That means from here to here, this is the perpendicular, right? So the length is given to be X. Now you need to find the length of the perpendicular from A to BC. That means from here to here, from A to BC, you have to find the length of the perpendicular in terms of X. Now if I explain you using this diagram, it will be a confusing one for you. So that's why let me use this diagram. So from A, drop a perpendicular. So that perpendicular will be perpendicular to both DE and BC. Okay, so let me call this point to be P and let me call this point to be Q. Okay, so I don't have the use of this, so let me erase this. Let's make use of this diagram now. Alright, so in triangle ABC and triangle ADE, it is already given that they are similar. So if they are similar, the corresponding sides must be in proportion, right? So that's why AE, okay, so see here carefully, AE by AC, okay, see here, AE by AC is equals to DE by BC. Okay, so corresponding sides. Now what is given to us, let's see. Okay, so we have AE given to be, see here, AE by, see here, AE is 4, right? Now similarly, if I ask you what is AC, okay, AE is how much? 4 and EC is 7. So if this is 4 and this is 7, then obviously AC will be how much? AC is going to be 11. 4 plus 7 is 11. Okay, so AE is 4, AC becomes 11. DE is given to be 6.6 centimeter. So find the BC, find the value of BC from here. It turns out to be 18.15 centimeter. So we got our value for BC. Okay, so again, you know, these two triangles are similar. So if these two are similar, you know that some pairs of angles will be equal, isn't it? Because you know, in similar triangles, all corresponding angles are equal. So that's why angle ABC will be angle ADE, ABC and angle ADE. This angle and this angle will be equal. ACB is equals to AD. Okay, ACB, that is this angle, will be equals to this angle. See, this and this are equal, this and this are equal. What does that mean? See, this means that DE is parallel to BC, because this happens, this and this and this and this will be equal only if DE is parallel to BC. Alright, so that's why DE is parallel to BC. So that's why, see here carefully, we have AB by AD is equals to AC by AE. Okay, AB by AD is equals to AC by AE. Okay, now what is, see here carefully, what is AE by AC? We wrote this as 4 by 11. So that's why AC by AE. So find the reciprocal of that, it becomes 11 by 4. Okay, so in triangle ADP, let's see, where is ADP? ADP is this triangle, and we have ABQ, that is this triangle and this triangle. So in these two, you have this angle and this angle to be equal, right? It's already written. Okay, I'm sorry, these two are parallel, so that's why if these two are parallel, these two becomes corresponding angle, so that's why they will be equal. Okay, now one more thing is, you have APD, see here carefully, APD and AQB, they will be equal, okay, because they will also act like transversal, isn't it? These two are parallel, so it is also acting like transversal, so this becomes my corresponding angle. Okay, so that's why using AA criterion, this angle, this triangle and this triangle, they are similar. So in case of similarity, you know that AD by AB, okay, is equals to AP by AQ. Okay, now see here carefully, what is AP? This AP is the perpendicular, right, to DE, and it is given that x is the length of the perpendicular from A to DE, that is AP is x. Okay, in place of AP I am writing x. What is AB? Okay, so let's see, AD by AB is AD by AB from this is 11 by 4. Okay, AP is x and you need to find the value of AQ, that is length of the perpendicular from A to BC. So AQ you need to find. So from here AQ turns out to be, bring this 11 up, 4 down, you get 11 by 4 x, right? So this is the length of AQ in terms of x. That's what you need to find here. Okay, so with this we close. So you may pause the video and note down your solution. Thank you very much.